Within this MOOC, we review a wide number of biochemical discoveries and important biochemists. Our journey through this topic begins during the second half of the 19th century when the term biochemistry and its German-French equivalent biochimie started to be used. This term became synonymous with physiological chemistry or the chemistry of life, particularly within medical schools that taught this topic to assist understanding of human disease. Within the UK, the topic first gained recognition in 1902 when the first chair of biochemistry was appointed at the University of Liverpool. Biochemists have increased our understanding of cellular metabolism as illustrated by experiments during the 1930s when Hans Krebs discovered the urea cycle and then the citric acid cycle. This led to him being awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1953. Powerful techniques have prompted important developments in biochemistry, as typified by the use of X-ray crystallography, which allows the structure of biomolecules to be determined at a high resolution. A forerunner in this aspect of biochemistry was Dorothy Crowfoot Hodgkin, leading to her being awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1964 that included her studies on the important vitamin B12. In week 2 of this MOOC, we will move on to highlight understanding of bioenergy and bioenergetics, with a particular focus on the nitrogen cycle. Work in this area builds on studies from the chemist Fritz Haber, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1918. In our discussion about bioenergetics, one of the most important molecules is ATP, and this is often referred to as the energy currency of cells. In this area of biochemistry, 2 important Nobel Prizes in chemistry have been awarded, firstly in 1978 to Peter Mitchell, and then in 1997 to Paul Boyer and John Walker. Finally, in week 3 of the MOOC, we will move on to look at the potential for biochemistry to be useful in the future, and we will consider its links to recent developments in molecular biology, genetics, and synthetic biology. These topics began to establish themselves in 1953 with major developments in our understanding of DNA. This molecule is central to all cellular life. In this year, Francis Crick, Rosalind Franklin, James Watson, Maurice Wilkins and colleagues reported the double-stranded helical structure of this molecule. After Franklin's death in 1957, their work was recognized by the awarding of the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962 to Crick, Watson and Wilkins. The potential usefulness of these studies as being important for improving our understanding of human health and disease was illustrated in 2003 with the completion and publication of the Human Genome Sequence.